Yep, just like that. Here's two, and here's last two, and holy, yeah, that's nice. I mean, that's nice. I mean, why not? Okay, seriously. And yes, guys, hell yeah, bro. That's what I'm talking about. This is so great for me. So, ay, guys. How's it going? I'm always Googling something like that, and there's always this type of thumbnails, guides, articles that just doesn't make any sense. They copy and paste. It's just pointless. But me, I know what's up with this. Exactly know what's up with this. And this video diary exactly about this topic. So, I'm not here to promote or tell you what to do. I'm here to track my experience and format of video diary. So let's dive in my video diary, guys, okay? First of all, I do it like this. Just like that, I type it down, and here it asks to do this checkbox. I do checkbox. And yep, there it is. It's like a minesweeper thing, so it's very interesting. I'ma just do start here, just like that, okay? It's very nice for me. So then I go open this up, just like that, okay? And let me put this right here, actually, just for you to see. So, okay, I go next step. That's nice. So there will be like a grid and stuff like that. So I will show you. Okay, here it says this. Okay, go next. That's very nice and easy. So just simply go next. Okay, here it asks me to do this, like on this screenshot. So I just open this up. I simply copy. Okay, paste this right back here. All right, not a trouble. Okay, so it's pretty much done. I'm waiting for the results. Yeah, that's pretty correct. Of course, not going to change anything here because it works just fine for me. Okay, so let's get the first one, guys. Let's get the first one. That's very nice and easy. So here's the 5. I'm gonna do it like this, and here I must replicate what's on the right to my left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yep, just like that. I just got it. Okay, so go next one. Let's go for more, just like that, and just replication. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So let's go next one. Let's just do the same thing right here. So here's another 5. So I'm gonna just do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, just like that. Okay, let's do it like this. Go to the next one, and just like that it says here. So yeah, that's pretty unfortunate, but I do have this one right there. So let me actually write it down real fast. So OMNX, just like that. I'ma just type it down, and come on. Yep, that's nice. So let's get another one, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna copy. So 1, yeah, second goes here, just like that. That's nice for me. So yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, let's get next one. So we wait, and it says the same thing as it was saying previously. So actually, there's 3 options here. I'm gonna do the last option since it looks just beautiful option. So let me go back here. Okay, let me actually do this, just like that. And here I go here. Okay, and I'm right here. So let me click on this one. Nice icon, blue icon. So a nice green button. I'm just clicking on it, and here I select the same as here, just like that. Okay, copying, simply doing just like this. And here it says third option. I'm gonna do third option. So just like that. Okay, let's actually do this now. And just like that, here it actually goes. So now let me reload real fast. And just like that, I got it right here. So let's go continue. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And just like that, we got all of this. That's crazy. So let's actually do like this. And let's just do it, guys. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here in a row. Must avoid those, obviously. So we're doing like this. Yep, just like that. Here's 2, and here's last 2, and holy, yeah, that's nice. I mean, that's nice. I mean, why not? Okay, so I go simply here. Yep, just like that. This nice blue button. Yep, clicking on it, selecting the same style I was selecting previously. So here, let me go home. Okay, nice. So I simply copy this one right there, just paste this in, and let me actually do something crazy for now. So just like that, okay? I'm gonna do this, okay? And let's actually wait now. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Uh I'm waiting on this, like seriously. And yes, guys, hell yeah, bro. That's what I'm talking about. This is so great for me. So, let me go to history here real fast. And just like that, we actually got it. So it's really nice for me, guys. Nice for me. Hell yeah, let's go to details here. And just like that, it right there, it's right here. So, yep. That's it, guys. That's it for my nice video diary.